YouTube, welcome back to another video with the House Money Investing channel. In today's video, we're going to go over 7 stocks I sold, and we're going to go over some cryptocurrency I purchased, which is I believe Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, Dogecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and BSV. If you like this type of content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell if you want to follow my journey. I do have 12 brokers I display on this channel with 100% transparency. Show all my buys, my sells, my gains, my losses, as well as the same deal with crypto. And I do analyze stocks 7 days a week, as well as cryptocurrency. So I'm constantly giving you guys great stock picks and updates on crypto news, stock news, price movements in the market, as well as, personal gains in my personal portfolio and my personal positions. Now, the challenge I started back in June is what I call house money, which is me deploying money into the market. After a set number of days, I pull my money out, leaving thus only the gains in the market. So I have currently over 1,200 stocks, about a $41,000 portfolio, and I've accumulated over $12,500 worth of free shares since June. Now, there is a link in the description below. If you want to hit the links, you can get four free stocks from Webull, valued at $3,700. You can get a free stock from Robinhood, as well as moomoo, and you can get $30 from M1 Finance. So let's jump right into it. This here is the Cash App. I purchased $11 worth of Bitcoin. As you can see here, it's 0.00033805% of a Bitcoin, or Satoshi coins. Then I deposited $55 into the Robinhood account to go ahead and make some cryptocurrency purchases. I purchased $11.01 worth of Bitcoin, which is 0.0003471 of a coin, at a strike price of $31,711.25. Then I purchased $11 worth of Litecoin. I got 8% of a coin. My new position is now 1.88 coins. My average cost is $136.07. Let's go back to Bitcoin. My new position that I have on Robinhood is now 0.00980501% of a Bitcoin, and my average cost is $31,711.25. Then we went ahead and purchased $11 worth of Dogecoin, so we got 1,307 coins. My new position is now 24,575 coins at an average price of 0.008413%. Then we got $11 of Ethereum. We purchased 0.009453% of a coin. My new position is now 29% of a coin. Price per Ethereum was $1,163.72. Then I bought $10.87 worth of ETC, Ethereum Classic. I purchased 1.48 coins. My new position is 9.83 coins. Price is at $7.30. Then I deposited another $11 into the Robinhood. Then I purchased $10.99 worth of BSV, which was 6% of a coin. My new position is now 0.31% of a coin. Price per BSV was $178.67. Then I deposited another $11 into the Robinhood. Bought more Ethereum, $2.75, 0.002339% of a coin. My new position is 29% of a coin. Price per Ethereum is $1,175.25. Then I purchased $2.75 worth of Litecoin, which is 2% of a coin. My new position is now 1.96 coins. Price is at $136.90. Then I bought $2.75 worth of Dogecoin, so I purchased 324 more coins. My new position is now 25,882 coins at a price of 0.08486. Then I bought $275 worth of Ethereum Classic, which is 37% of a coin. So now my new position is 11.32 coins at a price of $7.33. Then in the eToro app, I deposited $50. Went ahead and purchased $50 worth of Bitcoin Cash. Deposited another $51. Went ahead and bought $25 more of Bitcoin. Bought $25 of Ethereum and $25 of ADA Cardano. Then I did receive one dividend payment today in my Cash App of 1 penny. I know you're probably saying a penny isn't a lot, but when you have over 1,200 stocks, these pennies add up. And then if you have the drip feature on, then of course it's going to compound and build interest. And since I swing trade, 30 to 90 days, I'm steady building my positions. And I did make about $400 in dividends last year. And I'm not really a dividend investor. I do buy dividend stocks though. I do like passive income, but I also value stocks and growth stocks, speculative stocks, and any kind of stock that looks good on paper, has great fundamentals, something I believe in, something I know or think's gonna grow, then I'm gonna invest in it. Then we have bought some crypto for the first time in the PayPal account. So my total crypto value is now $23.61. So I basically purchased $6 of each. $6 of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. Then we'll get into the stocks I sold today. I sold $24.51 worth of BlackRock Science and Technology Trust. This play I only profited 51 cents. My initial investment was $24. Then we got Steel Dynamics. I sold $25 worth of Steel Dynamics. My profit was around like $6. I left that $6 into the public account to ride out as house money, basically free fractional shares of Steel Dynamics. Then we got iShares MSCI Brazil ETF. This one I took about an 85% loss. This was a $26 investment, so I did not build on my position. I have an EWZ. Then we bought $1.03 worth of SPHD out of the stash account. That was due from me selling $28.03 of the SPHD Power Shares S&P 500 High Dividend Low Volatility Portfolio. The initial investment was $27, so I made $1.03. So I sold out of that in the public account because it wouldn't let me store that small profit in there. So I just went ahead and purchased it here in the stash app. Then I sold $28 worth of Viacom CBS A shares. This one was a profit of about $12. I left that $12 into the public account as house money, fractional shares of CBS. Then Pacific Bioscience of California sold $29 worth. My profit on this one was I think it was about $15, maybe $20 or so. I did pretty well. It's anywhere from like $6 to $20, anywhere in that range. I can't exactly remember, but yeah, I left those profits in the stash in the public account and just took out my principal. Then I deposited $1 into the Robinhood to purchase $1 worth of ANGL. That was due to me selling $31.16 worth of ANGL, which is a Fallen Angels high yield bond ETF. This one I only profited 16 cents. It was only a $31 investment. I went ahead and ran to that 16 cent up to $1 and just purchased $1 over in Robinhood to ride out on house money. And that was my 7 sales for the day. And that's the little bit of crypto I bought today. I'll probably buy some later on. I only usually buy crypto about every 3 months. I also use a coin app, an app called Coin App, which I mine coins as I'm driving over the road. So when I do that, I do add into the Bitcoin and the Cash App. But overall, every 3 months, I purchase about anywhere from about $11 in each coin. In 4 different brokerages, so about $44 of Bitcoin, $44 of Ethereum, Litecoin, etc. Every 3 months, just dollar cost averaging, steady build up my position, just having that exposure to the a hedge against the fiat currency. And it's something I believe in. I think Bitcoin and Ethereum are gonna do super great. I actually love Dogecoin as well. There's other cryptos like Ripple, ADA, Tezos, Stellar, blockchain. It's a lot of them that I actually like, that I actually keep buying into. And if I'm correct, then I'll make a lot of money at the end of the day. If not, the money I lost, I'm not gonna miss it because I've saved it up and spent it over a long period of time in small increments. That concludes today's video. If you like the content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell to follow my journey. I appreciate you guys for tuning in.